Now, customers are going to want to know, hi, I want to get in, I want to plant a tree. Which product, which eco logo product from Dustbane am I going to be purchasing that's going to have a tree planted in Madagascar?
Well, there's quite a few actually. It's all of our hard surface cleaners. So you've got Azure, you've got Film Away, you've got Polar. They're all part of that program. So there's 7 different SKUs that are part of the Buy One We Plant One, and it really complements the entire line. But the tree part of it is one part of the give meaning to your cleaning. There's also the acts of kindness. But then when you think about using an Ecologo product, as you mentioned earlier, looking for ways to reduce your carbon footprint, what's also being demanded in the marketplace today is that we find a way to reduce the use of single-use plastics and also repurpose them. So when you think about an Ecologo product, if you look at Azure, this is going to make 41 of these 4-liter jugs in ready to use. That's an awful lot of bottles saved from going to the landfill. So a really nice way to think about a little bit differently how you can all take part in reducing a single-use plastic. Now, we know that those plastics are always going to continue to happen, but we're always finding ways to reduce them. So at Dustbane, one of the ways that we've looked at how can we also have an impact is by repurposing some of those single-use plastics. So for instance, all of our pads are made out of recycled water bottles. Our DV3 vacuum is made out of 75% recycled plastics, and our sweeping compound, which everybody's known and loved for over 113 years, the container is actually made out of the recycled plastics out of your blue bin in Ontario to create the container, which is also used as a garbage can. So it looks very similar to a typical brute container, and people can reuse that and repurpose it. So it's not only looking at the chemistry of the product, which is safe and better for the environment, it's also looking at the packaging solutions that go along with it. So one of the new products that we've just launched is our Clean Bright pad. And one of the advantages is it's going to last 5 times longer than your traditional pad. So
Wow.
made out of recycled water bottles. But the beauty of it is because it cleans and brightens the floors in one pass, you don't need any chemical to go with it. You just use water. So even though we're a chemical manufacturer, we do find solutions where chemical's not the only answer. So this is a great way for those that are looking for an alternative solution to be able to brighten their floors when sometimes redoing your floors or putting down floor finish, you just don't have time, you don't have the means, the manpower to do so. You can brighten and polish your floors in one pass. So some really nice, unique ways that we're trying to look at things just a little bit differently when it comes to the environment.